Hey YouTube, it's Yothatssobomb. Welcome back to another one of our videos. Hoping everyone is staying healthy, everyone is staying in, and also supporting small businesses during this really rough time.
We're on full takeout mode.
We're on full takeout mode. We might not be able to eat at restaurants, but we can take it out. We can still support and also enjoy the good food that's out there. So on that note, we're gonna play a song association game and then do a sushi mukbang. So grab your favorite food or your snack, sit down and let's chill out a bit.
Vancouver has the best sushi in the world, ever. Today we got sushi from Sushi Garden.
For those who haven't been to Vancouver, Sushi Garden I would say is a solid place to get sushi.
Solid.
There's almost one in like every sub-city within the lower mainland, and it's affordable and tastes amazing. So what we ordered from Sushi Garden is salmon avocado cream cheese roll, California roll, yam tempura roll, BC roll.
What is a BC roll?
It's like a California roll, but it has some sort of fish.
It's the skin.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Skin of the fish.
That's right. Alaska roll, which is one of our favorites, which is the avocado, salmon, and then on top of it is like a garlic
puree.
Salmon nigiri and tuna nigiri.
Cream cheese and sushi. Who would have known? Wow.
So the hack is with this roll, you order a salmon avocado roll and then you add cream cheese, which is $1. And you can do that at almost any sushi spot here in Vancouver.
Did you know
Tell them, Jack.
California roll was invented here in Vancouver, BC? The guy made it because when sushi was brought here by the Japanese, foreigners were kind of scared to try it because it was covered in seaweed, and then you have the fish inside and like the crab and whatever. So what he did was to make it more familiar to all the foreigners that weren't used to it. The guy put the rice outside, so that's the first thing the customer sees. So they're like, oh, we're familiar with rice, we can probably eat that. So that's why the rice is outside. And then he just put crab in it because everyone knows what crab is, and an avocado.
It's so basic, but it's so good, and it's kind of like the introductory sushi to the rest of the world.
That was my first roll ever.
That was my first roll. It's still so good.
Yeah.
To this day, I still get Cali roll, and it's so cheap. Like this heavy ass combo, it's called the BC combo. It's $9.50. This is a lot of sushi. I'm full. Okay, let's play a song association game. So this game is all over YouTube. So essentially you have to get a random word generator, and then you shuffle it and it stops at a word, and then you have to match that word to a song that you know, and whoever says the song first or sings the song first gets a point. Okay?
Okay.
Air. No air, no air.
All
or
nothing.
me
Oh,
loves all. 2-0. 2-0. So what's your favorite sushi roll?
my favorite sushi roll is a cream cheese roll.
Kimchi roll?
Cream cheese roll.
Kimchi roll. I'm sweating. My favorite roll is Alaska roll.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Cream cheese roll is good because like, what did I say?
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese roll is good because the cream cheese gets stuck in like different parts of your mouth.
I'm sweating.
And then as you're chewing, you taste the cream cheese more and more. It's like you're saving it, and then you like get it again, and then you like save some again, and then you get some again.
Team. Team. Oh, a team stuck in her daydream. Right? Yes! 3-0. 3-0.
On.
No.
No. No, 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 no.
Okay, what's the song? He's just like this, Jack. Jack, you're just like this. No, 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 no. No, that no, you dumbass. That's no, Jack. That's work. No, work. No air. Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air.
Use that already. Sushi out here in the West, it's more souped up. They just put a lot more stuff on it compared to the ones they have in Japan. In Japan, it's just like 2 or 3 ingredients and that's it. But I don't know, I kind of like the sushi here better, to be honest. It's more fresh there, but it's...
I agree with Jack.
Yeah.
Like everyone's like, oh my god, the sushi's so good in Japan. We went there last year. It was good, like especially the seafood ones.
Yeah.
I guess we just grew up with these buffed up types of sushi, like deep fried California roll.
You'll have cheese.
You'll have cheese on it.
Cheese.
Yeah. No, they don't make that stuff
in
Japan. That's only here in Vancouver and like California and whatnot. Perfect. You
look perfect tonight.
It doesn't mean if you're louder, you win. You're yelling at me.
Okay.
And you're pushing me. You look perfect. Breathe, bish. Side.
Yeah, side. To the left. Everything you own in the box to the side.
Sushi fact. Until recently, women were forbidden to work as sushi chefs because it was believed that their hair oil and makeup would alter the taste of the smell of sushi. Additionally, women were thought to have a higher body temperature, especially during menstruation, and their warm hands would spoil the chilled fish. What do you think of that?
I think it's like, it's still true to this day. Like, where have you seen a female sushi maker?
I'm on my menstruation. Are my hands warm?
Yeah.
Whoa, I didn't know that your hands get warm when you're on your period. Why?
I don't know, because your body's just working inside. When was the last time you saw a girl making sushi?
You never do. They're always guys.
Yeah. So it's true to this day.
Next.
Thank you. Next.
Bitch.
Thank you. Next.
Beg.
I'ma make you beg for it.
Beg for it.
You just yelled. You just
That's how does it feel, Jack? That's what you were
you
doing.
broke your own rule. You have to be calm, you have to be quiet, and you sing it.
Your eyes are better. Love.
I found the love for me.
Fish.
Darling, just dive right in.
6'3".
Follow my lead. I found the girl. Boutique.
If you can pick one sushi restaurant in all of Vancouver, what would it be?
Ooh. I have to pick California.
Sushi California?
Yep.
I'm gonna say Victoria Sushi.
Ooh. It's fire.
So good. Hole in the wall spot. It's like in a residential area near New Westminster. And their sushi is such good quality. It's not the biggest pieces like these ones from Sushi Garden. It's smaller, but it has better quality. You can taste everything on it. They have oishi sushi. They have the best chicken karaage. There's anything on their menu is bomb. No.
There's something you should know.
Fucking no. Jack, I'm serious. You can't sing until you know the song.
How do we not know this? There's so many songs with no in it. I don't know.
Don't sing. I said don't sing unless you
You're
have a
just
song.
mad because you can't get
No,
one.
because you have to be quiet because I can't think.
I know, you know. That's a song. That's a song. It is.
I know. You know. So baby, don't pretend
that Hey, come on. All I want is you. Come over here, baby.
5, 6. Heart. You're tearing up my heart when I'm with you, bitch. 7 all. Okay, ready? Next word.
Touch. Touch.
No, touch my body. Touch my body. Pull me to the floor. Then me around. Play with me some more. I found a light.
No, that's not it.
For me.
Turn down the light.
Darling, just dive right in. It's 9/8.
It's I found a love.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
I can only see the light.
I can only see.
It's 9/8.
Okay, fine.
Alright, so that's the end of our video. As you can see, we
barely touched it
because Sushi Garden has great portions. Hopefully everyone out there is continuing to flatten the curve. Please continue to support your local businesses. So at the end of all of this, you can still go to your favorite restaurant. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what other kind of videos you'd like to see.
Yo, that's all. Peace.